Here at Panorama Rec Center, here with Cole, and we're showing off the outdoor bright LED panels. And I got Rob here.
Hey Jeremiah, how you doing?
That's so awesome. Yeah, how bright is that? Is that bright enough you can see it?
Well, I can see that.
You can see it, yeah. So think about this, it's out, it's in broad daylight right now, right?
Yeah,
That's the thing, is it's so bright you can actually see this during broad daylight.
that's amazing.
Yeah. So the idea is I want to get this so when the teams are on the road,
Yeah.
they put their sponsors up.
Oh, nice.
Right? Makes
Yeah,
sense? Yeah. So what basically happens is, you take it on the road, put the sponsorship up, you can drop it in the front of the arena, thank you, whoever. Pretty cool idea, eh?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sponsors love that.
Sponsors love that, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it. This is the roadshow to show it off that it's real. So I appreciate that. Thanks for being a testimonial that's bright enough. Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to have to send